Supervised Beer here from North Landing, and today I am back with G-Force. Sorry I haven't been playing this in such a long time, guys. I've been off track doing stuff with Reese, and oh yeah, if you're seeing this video, guys, that you've seen my video. Oh,
Cavalry's definitely arrived.
hold on.
Picking up more SWAT all over the place.
Oh yeah, and so yeah, all the stuff I'm gonna be doing with Reese, and yeah, because like if you check out like my video about that, I'm gonna be doing a live stream on Friday. So yeah, and plus I can't do some computer stuff during weekdays, and there's this Wednesday there's something new going on our channel called Reese Wednesday, and Reese Wednesday is when Reese can record any on Wednesdays. If you guys like tune into our channel on Wednesday, you will see Reese recording videos. So, but during the other days of the week, I will either be not recording stuff or recording stuff, like either recording G-Force or other stuff. Like, yeah. And yeah, sorry guys, I've been playing this in a long time. You guys have been requesting this game, and yeah, so, yeah. Make sure to subscribe and stuff like that, and let's get to the game. Oh man. Oh yeah, and if you guys one more thing to say before we actually like start. This game is like based on the movie. So if you guys have seen, yeah, it's a paper shredder right there. Yeah, I've seen that movie. Like, yeah, this is based on the movie. So if you have not seen the movie, or recognize this from the movie, put down in the comments below. Sorry about my nunchuck, guys. Every now and then that'll be happening. So yeah. This say if you have or not. Like, check that out in the comments. And yeah, let's get to the game. These guys are easy. These guys are easy. Oh, these not so easy. Is that like a blender or something? Oh yeah, I've seen the movie. Yeah, that's a blender. No. Oh no, not now. I'm out of ammo. Oh no. I'm seriously gonna die in this video. Am I seriously gonna die? Yep, I died like 30 seconds into the video. Wait, do I get my ammo back? Nope, still out. Wait, yes, Saberling crates. Do I get? Oh man, they don't have ammo in them. You're going down, bud. Oh yeah, and this one little thing before we start. If you guys have any tips or have played this game, leave down in the comments below. Okay, that's the thing I wanted to say. Alright, now let's get to the game. Yes! Plasma ammo. For my gun. Yes, got some ammo. These things how many paper shredders does this guy have? How Saber have? Oh no. Oh man, that laser thing. Crap. Oh, there's still a mouse here. No. Locked on me, guys. It's locked on. Yes. Alright, guys. Sorry if I'm not talking. I'll be talking more.
Saber sense is most definitely activated.
You think? Whoa, this thing is locked on me. Oh, no. Okay. Oh yeah. Ninja-like. Ninja. Alright. All right. Oh, okay. Oh, I have to pull the chute. Okay. This is that. Well, this thing ain't giving up. Like, yeah, I guess that's like the laundry chute or something. Oh, garbage chute. Okay, let's get out of here. All right, let's slide in.
I tell ya, we throw away more food than Mr. Saber and his fancy friends eat.
And all these appliances.
Oh dear. Wait, the
Food
chefs?
practically cooks itself.
Don't say that, or we'll be out of a job.
Oh.
Whoa! Hey, let's get out of here!
Oh. Wait, those like they look like little bear trap things. Okay. Oh man, that activated too. Alright. Oh, plasma gun. Come on, why? This thing is tough to take down. Thank you. Alright. Whoa. Oh, no, I only have 18 ammo left. Okay. Boom. Boom. Yes. No, they're like... Oh, yeah. Alright, I need to get higher ground. Okay, wait. Oh man, I switched to the Saberling, to scanner gun or something. What I forget what it's called. What is it? Saberling. Oh yeah, stabilizer. Sorry guys, I haven't played this game in a long time. Whoa, they're like surrounding me like a mob. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. No. Oh my goodness. No. Oh my gosh. No. I can't die. No, only 11 ammo left on my gun. Right aim. Oh, right in the mouth. Missed. 6 ammo left. Right. Electro whip. Well, I'm gonna get this guy. Wait, hide behind this coffee maker. Wait, coffee maker? Wait. Not a good time to run out of plasma. Ow. Wait. Just gotta deal with this guy. Take that. Wait, you're still alive. Dirt. Wait, yeah. Isn't that a coffee maker from the movie? Is that some kind of Easter egg or something? Hello? Why isn't it like coming alive or something? Isn't it supposed to, it's from the movie, isn't that supposed to be coming alive anytime or something like that? Maybe? Hello? Yeah guys, I think this is an Easter egg or something. I think. But I'm not saying I am. I think. Like, it either isn't an Easter egg or it's a decoration. Or it's an Easter egg, and it might happen later on in the game, but I don't know why it isn't coming alive. Well, it's a good thing it isn't. Oh yeah, all these SaberSense chips I didn't get. Wait, is there a way out of this kitchen? Oh, I'm to imagine it's like the way out. It's like the oven. It's like, ching. It's like, ting. You see, I come.